हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू नैना बेरबनी सिस्टर्स। आज का वीडियो है बुक्स पे। सो द राइटर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इज शाहरुख खान and Arfi. Yes, he is the king of writing romance and he is none other than Turjoy Datta. He is a crossword winning author, popular choice about fiction. He has got awards both in 2017 and 18. Actually, I started reading my reading journey from his books only, but today we are specifically going to talk about his these three books that I really love. The first book that I want to talk is about Perfect Us. Perfect Us is about two people preparing for the next step of their life and gearing up for the challenges that comes with it. While they plan and prepare, fate has something entirely different planned for them, and soon all their plans are thrown into the drain. Of course, the story is about the married couple wanting to take the next step forward in their life, that is getting pregnant and having kids. It's okay, right? But of course, it talks about the issues and struggle which would be as a parent they'll have to face. It talks about the inevitable changes that creeps in a marriage or a relationship which has last for like 10 years now. So the best part is Perfect Us is not a romance novel, but more about a practical issue that the couple might face in the real world. The best part about the book was this book shows us the side of love that is real and believable, not just the frictional or the romance part. And marriage is not a destination, guys. This is what the book has taught me. Marriage is a journey. And one part I didn't like about the book was there were few instances where the act that the author has made was little bit prejudice, bias for some cultural belief of people. When did it become so cool to insult some cultural sensibilities? This is what I feel, but it's okay. I really like the idea of the book, and the book overall was very good. The actor and the characteristics was every good and perfect. Coming to the second book is I Wish I Could Tell You. I really like this title very much. I Wish I Could Tell You. This is my favorite book till now. The best part is it stays with you for a longer time after you are done reading. It is written in a very simple language but beautiful love and easygoing book. The favorite character in this book is Anand. He believes everything good, that everybody is good and people are good, they do good stuff. How the story of Mohini and Anand overlaps and how they find exactly what they're looking for is in this book. But luckily, it isn't everything there is that I'm telling you. Of course, I don't want to give you spoilers, but I Wish I Could Tell You is a story where real get mixed up with faith, reality with illusion, and the virtual world with the physical one. It shows us everything, the good, the bad, the ugly side of the world that we have in inhabit. And while doing so, it tells us the capacitating story of an real love. You know what it really likes, and what I really like about the book is that the twist that it takes place. You know, when you're going to read the book, you may think that it is going to happen this way, but the plot has a very good twist that is really unexpected and creates an excitement to read ahead. What I don't like about this book was it is lengthy. You're going to take a little time for you to build up the story or to adjust if you are a new reader, but then all of a sudden this book is great. You know, if you want your faith back in love to be restored, I would really recommend you to read this book. It's the perfect one. Coming to the third one is The Touch of Eternity. Okay, Touch of Eternity talks about two people who are born on the same day, same time. Dhruvan and Anvesha knows that they are exactly soulmates. So they know that they are soulmates, you know. So they come into a science fiction category. There is some experiment going on in the timeline. It about to a company who tries to transfer the soul from one body to another. The company started the whole soul transform scheme, and clearly our protagonist wanted to be a part of it. But this book takes a beautiful turn. What I didn't like about this book was it was kind of predictable. It's like when you're watching a movie, you kind of know that they're going to end up together, but at the starting the book created a very good excitement. But what I really like about this is something new, the concept of soulmates. And the best thing I was very keen while reading, that when you are in love and you want to be with that one other person, and there is no specific reason or why so, but you just know, there is this gut feeling that you say. This is how we come to know. This book is really talking about how they both have built their relationship, how much they are in love, but then people don't accept, and just to prove anyone else, they do this. So now what do you think is going to happen if they try this? The book is all about that. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the video. Also be happy and safe. See you in my next video.